Students, today we will discuss about the factorization, that is chapter number 14 in your syllabus. First of all, I will discuss about the factors, what is meaning of factor, then then how to do the factorization. Let's see what is meaning of the factor. In lower classes you study about this, so I will take one example. Suppose the number 4. This number 4 can be divided by 1, by 2 and by 4. Number 6, it can be divided by 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 1, 2 and 4, these are the factors of 4. 1, 2, 3 and 6, these are the factors of 6. So these are called the factors, means these numbers can divide the given number, so these numbers are called the factor of the number. Now in your syllabus we will discuss the factors of variables. All of you know the meaning of variable. Variable means those quantity whose value change are called the variable, and they are denoted by the alphabets like x, y and z. Now suppose you have x square, then which numbers can divide it? X can divide it and x square can divide it. Suppose a square and b, it can be divided by a, can be divided by a square and can be divided by b. So x and x square, these are the factors of x square. A square and b, these are the factors of a square, b. Now see one more example, 12x power 3. Here are the two things, one is the constant and second is the variable. How to factorize it? First write the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. And what are the factors of x3? X square and x cube, these are the factors of x cube. So you can find out the factors of number, these are called the numerical factors, and these are the variable factors. So suppose one more example, minus 4 a b power 2. What are the factors of this number? Minus 1, 1, 2 and 4. These are the factors of number minus 4, and a, b and b square. These are the factors of a, b square. That is the variable part of this expression. So we can find out the factors of any number, any expression. Now how to find out the common factors? Common factors. Take the two above example. In this one, 1 is the common, 2 is also common and 4 is also the common. So what are the common factors? 1, 2 and 4 in case of numbers. And in case of variable, nothing is common, so there is no common factor in the variable part. So these are the common factors. Now what is the highest common factor? Highest common factor, that is called HCF. What is the highest common factor? 4 is the highest common factor, so the HCF is called 4. Now take one more example. Suppose that is 4x power 2 and 12x power 3. We will find out the common factors. So first of all we will write the factors of 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. What are the factors of x square? X and x square are the factors of x square. Now we will write the factors of 12. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. And what are the factors of x cube? X square and x3. These are the factors of x cube. So what is the power of x here? 1. What is the highest power? 3. So start from 1, 2 and 3. These are the three factors of x cube. Now we will find out the common factors. What are the common factors of 4x square and 12x cube? So 1 is the common, so I will write here 1. 2 is also common factor, so I will write here 2. And in variable, what is the factor? X is the factor and x square is also common factor. Now we will find out the highest common factor. What is the highest common factor? In case of numbers, 2 is the highest, and in case of variable, x square is the highest. So the highest common factor is 2x square. This highest common factor can be utilized to factorize the expression. Okay, now take the example 4x minus 12x square. This is an expression and we will find out the factors of this expression. So in this expression there are two terms. One is 4x and second is the 12x square. So what are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. And what is the factor of x? X only. So what is the factor of 12? 1, 2, 3, 6 and 12. What is the factor of x square? X and x square. So in these two terms, what is the highest common factor? HCF is 2. Okay, we forget one more factor, 4. Now what is the highest common? 4 is the highest common number, and in case of variable, what is the highest? X is the highest. So 4x is the highest common factor, and from both the terms we can take 4x as a common. So what is our expression? 4x minus 12x square. In these two terms we will take 4x as a common. So what is left here? If we take the 4x common, then 1 is left, because 4x can be written as 1 into 4x. So when we take 4x common, 1 is left. So 1 is left. From here, if you will take 4 common, so divide 12 by 4, what is answer? 3. And x square divided by x, what will be answer? X. So there are two factors of this expression. 4x is the one factor and 1 minus 3x is the another factor. So in this way we can factorize any expression. Okay students, take one more example. Ax plus bx plus ay plus by. In this expression there are 4 terms: first, second, third and fourth. How to factorize this kind of expressions? First make the group. This is the first group and this is the second group. Now in the first group, ax plus bx, what is common in both the term? X is common, so we can take x as a common. So what is left? Here a is left and here b is left. So these are the factors of the first group. In the second group, ay plus by, what is common in both the terms? Y is common, so we can take y as a common. So what is left? A plus b. We divide the 4 terms in 2 terms. This is the first term and this is the second term. What is sign here? Plus is the sign here. Now we convert the 4 terms into 2 terms. In 2 terms, what is common? A plus b is the common, so we can take a plus b is the common. What is left here? X is left, and what is left here? Y is left. So a plus b is the first factor and x plus y, this is the second factor. So we can factorize in this way any expression. So take one more example, x square plus 5x plus 10. How to factorize this kind of factors where there are 3 terms? So in this one, take the middle term, that is 5x, and the last term is 10. We have to think the two numbers whose sum should be 5 and this should be a sum, because this is the last term and this should be the product. So there should be two numbers whose sum should be 5 and product should be 10. What are the numbers?